Hello, this is Rex Mello, and in this video I'll be going over a document scanning app that does document scan, but it also has a face recognition module that can match the face from the document with the face image that you can give it separately. So basically the idea of the app is very simple, that you give it a document and you can also give it the image of a face, and what it does is it matches that image with the face that it finds in the document, plus it also extracts all the data from the document. And I've made it into an API, as you can see here, and yeah, let's get into it. So here I've already provided it the face image, and next I'll give it the image of the document. This is the one I'll be using for this example. It's an Indian driving license, so let's use it. And we also need the backside, so let's use that as well. And here it's using CPU, that's why it's pretty slow. It's taking a while to load everything, but if you're using a GPU it can be much faster. And again, this is the document I used. It's a very simple example just to make it more clear for you. And here the processing is complete and you can see the results. It has this field called face match, where you can see if it's true, it means the face is matched, otherwise it's not. And in this example I was using my face image for reference, that's why it said false. So yeah, that's it from this video. If you have any questions you can reach me out, or if you want an appointment or consultation, or just want to talk about your project, you can also reach me out through the links that I've provided in the description. And yeah, take care.